So in export stage, we have the control window that allows us to set up the desired parameters for the models that will be 3D printed in order to produce the aligners. Here we have the settings preset that you can choose whether you want to have a simple printable model with fillers, or direct printed aligners. Or you can configure all the settings by yourself from scratch. So for example, I would like to generate fillers and merge them. I'm not gonna do the direct printed aligners. You can adjust the trim line by moving the points. You can change the type of the trim line if you want to, whether it's basic or scalloped one. You can add an extra point on the trim line by holding the A key. And in models for printing section, you can make model hollow. This will just reduce the print material. You can heal the meshes. That will just repair the models before export. And you can also add engraving, but by checking the add label on Ginjva. And here you can set the case name like ID 123, for example, and afterwards SmileInspector will add the number of the stage. And also you can add label on the tooth and choose the settings that you prefer for engraving. Another option available is the fixture-based. You can add a fixture-based to the model. You can show the fixture-based, you can upload the JSON or an archive. And when you finish, you can either reset all or you can apply all the settings. I will apply all, and SmileInspector will generate the models for printing that I'll be able to review. So here it is. We have the engraving of the case. We have number of the stage, the fillers generated, and we are ready to go. In order to export the model, we can choose whether we want to export the initial stage, which is basically the stage number 0, where there are no movements of the teeth. We can export the files to the local storage on your computer, or you can export it to the cloud. If you want to, you can also open a folder on your local computer after export. And you can also split up the printable model that will just export the fillers, aligners, and everything else separately. They will not be merged. Afterwards, I click on export, and SmileInspector starts generating the export models. This usually takes some time, but after the export is generated, you'll get a notification. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our first tutorial. Please don't hesitate to reach out in case you have any questions by sending us an email to contact@smileinspector.io.